Are you stuck in tutorial hell, watching course after course but still can't build your own project? Believe me, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to escape tutorial hell and finally become a confident developer. So first, let's understand what is tutorial hell. So tutorial hell is when you keep watching coding videos, following along step by step, but as soon as you try to code your own, your mind goes blank. You feel like you're learning, but in reality, you're just copying. This is usually happens because you're afraid to make mistakes or you feel you're not ready yet. So you keep watching more tutorials hoping one more video will make it all click, but it never ends. Here are some signs of tutorial hell. You have watched lots of courses but still can't build a simple application. You pause the video and copy the code but don't know what it really does. You avoid real projects because they feel scary. Now let's talk about how to escape from tutorial hell. So the first thing you need to do is start building simple things. Build simple applications like calculator, to-do list or a personal portfolio. These are gold for practice. When you start building projects, you actually understand how things are working. Projects gives you a real coding experience which you cannot get from just watching tutorials. Use tutorials as support, not to copy paste. Only search tutorials when you're stuck on a specific problem. If you're following a course, always try to write the code with your own understanding. You must set project goals while following a course. For example, 2 weeks to learn the basics, then build one mini project in the next week. One more great way to understand and remember the concept is share whatever you have learned on a community platform like Discord, Reddit, or local groups. So, sharing your work or knowledge boosts confidence. And the last and very important thing I want to add here, don't wait to be perfect. Just build. Even broken projects teach you more than 10 tutorials. I have seen a lot of people wasting their times in tutorials just to be perfect. But no one is perfect in the beginning. You have to start building projects. That's how you will gain experience, confidence, and perfection. I was also stuck in tutorial hell. I used to spend hours watching Django and React videos, but I couldn't build anything without the guide. The real change happened when I forced myself to build my own projects, even if they were small and buggy. So remember, real learning starts when the tutorial ends. So stop watching for a while and start building. You will be amazed at how much you have already know. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.